How to fix picture-in-picture if not working on YouTube. So on iPhones, there's two things you can do. So the first thing you could do is go ahead to your settings and go ahead and click settings, and you want to go down to where it says general. And then from here, you just want to go down to picture-in-picture. Now, it might be a little bit different on Androids, but for iPhones, it should be in your general settings. So go ahead and click picture-in-picture. You can go ahead and turn this off and then turn this on. And then come back out of here, come out of your settings, and just go to the YouTube app itself. So once you're in the YouTube app, go to the U section at the bottom right-hand corner. This is going to bring you to all of your settings and all that stuff. And then go to the gear icon at the top right corner. So from here, you just want to go down to playback, and you want to go down to where it says picture-in-picture. Now, this is going to enable it in your YouTube app itself, so you can go ahead and click that on, off, and then click that back on. That might help. You might want to fully go ahead and close out of your YouTube app. That way it has to restart and it has to reopen. What you can also do is go ahead and log in and out of your actual YouTube email account. That might help as well. So there's a couple options for you to fix your picture-in-picture if it's not working on YouTube.